Welcome back, treasures. Today I have another unboxing for you from Inked Goddess Creations. This is the March 2021 box, which is all about the element of air. So if you're ready to check this out, let's get started. I have not opened this at all. So it is a fresh look with you today. Now this video is not sponsored in any way. I just thought this box looked interesting and wanted it, so I thought I'd unbox it for you. Today we have the element of air. Now the last unboxing I did for this, I failed to see on video that on the back it does have everything of what is in here. So I'll read that card at the end of this video. Nice yellow tissue paper. Yellow is the color that represents the element of air, so very appropriate. What do we have? Where do we start? Oh goodness, I'm actually going to start with this candle here, which smells so good. What is that? It smells like spring is the best way for me to describe that. So we'll see what that is soon. Okay, what is this? Element of Air Spell Kit. This spell kit can be used to connect with the element of air for opening communication, seeking wisdom or answers, making wishes, helping with studying or gaining knowledge, and more. Contents: the air element oil, air element spell powder, and 3 yellow feathers. Okay, it says it's best performed during the waxing moon phase. So I like that that's in a little kit all together, so that you have everything that you need right there. Oh, is this a sticker? Yes, I believe it is. It's an air sticker. I like that. The sign for air. There is a pack of cards. Ooh. I believe these are tarot cards that represent air. Now, Inked Goddess website did say that they were going to be doing each of the elements throughout the year. So there wasn't anything about which particular month the elements would be on, but this was the first one. So if you want in, you should check out the website and look to see if they still have the air box, the March 21 box available. And then you could get in for the rest of the year if you're interested in those as well. But I really love this design that we have here. And it's a matte finish here. This is a little more polished or smooth, but this is matte like paper. So you could color on this. Maybe that's part of the intention here. But you could definitely create these. Oh, look at the 5 of Swords. I absolutely love that. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. So very nice artwork here as well. It's simple, but you could definitely add to it and make it your own. And then there's a card about the suit of swords. Oh, this is fantastic. I love this. Okay, so that's gonna sit there. What else do we have? Faden Quartz card, and these are the Eclectic Witch Deck cards. The suit of swords, so kind of like this card, but this one's more explanatory towards the specific cards in the deck. And this, I think, is about your suit here. And then Wand, which is representing of air as well. So, and then again, a little card here, a little thank you card. So that came in the last box as well, but that's a different card. So, and then we have two kind of, I don't know what we have going on here. Ooh, this is a piece of crystal and it's in this protective box thing. I'm not sure how to get that open without, oh, there we go. Okay, that was easier than it should have been. But that's kind of a cool little container to put a nice natural piece in so it doesn't break. Okay, we're gonna keep that in that. And what do we have here? It's taped. Oh my goodness. Look at this gorgeous little mini wand. Oh my goodness. We have the Gemstone Wand. Wands resonate with the element of air and are used to direct your energy during a spell or ritual. Each box contains one wand. See which one of the following types of wands chose you this month. A copper and gemstone chakra wand, or a solid gemstone wand made out of either amethyst, clear quartz, or rose quartz. This is definitely a solid gemstone wand made out of rose quartz with some clear quartz at the end. I love this wand. Faden quartz in display case. Faden quartz is a rare and amazing stone for healing, as well as a stone that promotes communication throughout different realms. This gemstone comes with a case to easily display on your altar. Element of Air Spell Kit. This exclusive spell kit contains a full-size bottle of air elemental ritual oil, a full-size jar of air element spell powder, 3 yellow feathers, and instructions. You can use this kit when you are searching for answers or wisdom about an issue, to help with studying or to help gain knowledge, for casting wishes, and much more. Color Your Own Suit of Swords Tarot Pack. Designed by Morgan, owner of Inked Goddess Creations, this Suit of Swords pack can be colored if you so choose, or left as is, for a minimalistic deck. The best way to learn tarot is to study each card and its meaning slowly over time. So as you color this set, use the information card in the deck to help you learn each card's meaning. Air Votive Candle, an inspirational blend of lavender and lemongrass to connect you to the element of air. Air Element Sticker. Place on your altar, in your book of shadows, or any other place you'd like to have the symbol for the element of air. The Element of Air Eclectic Witch Deck Expansion Pack. Cards in Faden Quartz, Wand, and the Suit of Swords to add to your deck. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and you're not yet a subscriber, be a treasure and hit that subscribe button below. If you'd like to see more unboxings, hit that playlist. I'll see you next time.